Racing just started. We have forevermore. Break quickly at the start. Gintong Biyaya, Geronimo. Aguris comes next. Speed Admiral. Then followed over by Atoy Forest. Green Apple. Matikas while flash away is the early trailer while Watasiwa was left behind and going along for the first turn. We have forevermore. Atoy for us is Dallery inside. Gintong Biyaya comes next. Geronimo. Next online is Zakuris with Admiral. Matikas comes next. Green Apple while flash away. Still racing less down the backstretch. They travel. We have forevermore moving up. Gintong Biyaya. Geronimo likewise now moving up. Akuris comes next. Green Apple. Matikas with Admiral. Next online is flash away while Atoy for us. Now racing less than at a far turn, we have Gintong Biyaya, Bayawada knows Geronimo in second. Down into the Zakuris is Speed Admiral now moving up to take fourth. And they are now entering the home stretch. Gintong Biyaya and Geronimo are fighting out for the last. They swing for home. Gintong Biyaya this time by about 3 lengths. Geronimo now in second. Last 75 meters. The program opener belongs to Gintong Biyaya. Geronimo, then comes Zakuris flash away. Speed Admiral for your Pentafecta.